Stage 6 is the final stage of the project and involves removal of the existing Highway 19 bridge, which is shown in red. Removal of the bridge requires detouring I-70 traffic on the ramps and through the roundabouts.
For everyone's safety, I-70 traffic cannot proceed under the bridge during the removal. The removal of the bridge will be performed in one night when traffic volumes are lower. Highway 19 and the outer roads will remain open. However, drivers may experience delays as the I-70 traffic will be given priority to avoid congestion on the interstate.
Traffic impacts related to Stage 6 are anticipated to occur over one night during the fall of 2023. We at the Missouri Department of Transportation, who are involved in the construction of a new bridge over I-70 on Highway 19, and on behalf of the contractor who will be working on site, urge you to please pay attention to the signs in the work zone for your safety and ours.
Buckle up, phone down.